Welcome back to Escape Adventures with Robin and Steve, and our first Virgin Voyages cruise on the Valiant Lady. Last time we woke to our first day at sea and enjoyed a delicious made-to-order breakfast in the galley. We then had our first bingo experience with the fabulous Diva, complete with entertainment and seriously big cash jackpots, up to $2,200 in a single round.
Good. I want a bit more confidence, so someone can give me a hell yeah!
Hell yeah!
There we go, alright. And realize that I'm what? Babes, I'm a star. Hey! And that is how I came out to my grandfather.
After that, we headed to the Seahorse auction where we successfully bid to race in a big event. And now in this week's video, we're diving into more fun with cocktails, an amazing dinner at Pink Agave, and the incredible Around the World show featuring the Diva caricature and her talented dance crew.
And what exactly is a gobble? Say ahoy sailor.
Ahoy sailors.